Hi, I'm here today with the 2018 Dodge Ram, and I just had some 37-inch tires put on it, and I thought I'd do a video today and show you what that looks like. I recently had a 6-inch lift put on this thing from rough country, and I still had the smaller tires on. They were almost like 33s. They were the factory tire size, and I just thought it looked kind of small, so decided to get some 37s. They're still on the 20x9 wheels, on these Moto metal wheels. And I think they fill out the fenders kind of nicely. Looks a lot better than the smaller tires. The brand of the tire is Ironman. I kind of looked for some that were a little more economical because 37s are so expensive. And these are actually a mud tire. So far I'm happy with them. They're not like terribly loud on the highway, not quite as bad as I thought they would be. I also had some fender flares put on the truck, and I had the windows tinted as well. And the tires don't really stick out past the fenders, hardly at all. I did have to get 1.5-inch wheel spacers, because the front tires wouldn't have cleared the like where the upper control arms come down. It was kind of tight in here, so I had to get 1.5-inch spacers to give it enough clearance in there. It's a nice fall day here in Pennsylvania. The trees are starting to turn.